Many questions for the help desk can be answered using knowledge base articles found in CCBC's Zendesk website. To open the website, visit ccbc.zendesk.com or ccbc.edu and navigate to the Faculty and Students tab. Under here, you will find a link to the CCBC Zendesk. Sign in with your single sign-in, that's your CCBC email address and password. After signing in, you will see the homepage. From here, you can browse various how-to articles or use the search feature for something more specific. For example, you would like to find out how to install Office 365 on your home computer. First, type in a keyword or words such as Office 365. You can choose from the results that come up instantly as you type, or you can hit the Enter key on your keyboard to bring up a list of all of the related search. From this list of search, find the most relevant article and click it open. Often, the information you are looking for will be found on the home page without having to use the search feature. For example, instructions on installing VPN can be found after clicking on the link for VPN. And information relating to Blackboard can be found after clicking the Blackboard link. Also, be sure to view FAQs section to view all of the other how-to information for many common scenarios. Lastly, if you cannot find the information that you are looking for or need more support, you can email helpdesk@ccbc.edu and explain the issue. Please be sure to include as much information as possible. Images or screenshots of the error messages are always helpful.